want to see how I got this very cute, simple hairstyle, continue to watch. Hi y'all, it's Tiana Shannell and I'm back with another video. This is gonna be another like curly hairstyle. I'm gonna do one more after this, like not curly hairstyle, like bombshell curls hairstyle, and I'm gonna do one more that's gonna be real simple, and then after that I'm gonna do my natural curly hair for y'all. So I'm gonna film a TikTok simultaneously, so I'm about to do the intro for TikTok and then I'll get straight into the hair. So I'm gonna start off with my edges. Like always, I'll be using this mini flat iron and this big flat iron, and basically I can use this big one because my hair is long enough, but if your hair is not that long, just use a smaller barrel flat iron, because the bigger the barrel, the looser the curl, but it's gonna be hard to curl it, you know what I mean. Everything is linked in my Amazon storefront down below.
Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal.
Then we going with these, also linked in the storefront. I don't know, y'all. It's giving greasy and just not like, I don't know, it's about to piss me off. I just forgot to do right here, because I really don't have time to play with this shit. This is like so separated. For me, I'm gonna get back when I finish the other side, but I guess this is how I look right now. Okay, so edges is done, nothing spectacular, and now I'm about to just curl my hair. Look, the curls let me curl my hair real fast, but if y'all want to know how I do it for real, the video will be linked down below. I use heat protectant, y'all. Chia heat protectant. I don't know if I have this in my storefront, but I will add it. It's this.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
I'll get back to y'all when I'm done curling the other side the same way. The hair, this curl. So I think I realized this week a deep side part is not my vibe. So I'm gonna do the part first.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this.
This is the hair.
Sweat change, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no birthday. So long,
Bang it out.
should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Take some got to be on the hand like this. Put on my hair. I think I'm gonna do my makeup and come back to show y'all like the final product, but I have to do it fast and something really light and simple. I don't have time to go. To do my makeup. So I might do it when I come back, but the curls might fall a little. So I'm just trying to do my thumbnail now. Let me try to take some pictures. See from the side. Mwah.